Want to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp? Follow these simple steps. Open your dialer app. Get the ChatGPT WhatsApp number from the video description. Type in the number, including the country code. Click on Create New Contact and name it ChatGPT. Tap on Save to add it to your contacts. Next, open the WhatsApp app. Tap on the search icon at the top. Type ChatGPT in the search bar. Click on ChatGPT to open the conversation. Now, you can ask ChatGPT anything directly in WhatsApp. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.